Last time, me and my wife came here, we had some food here. The food was amazing, the portion was amazing as well. I just want to show you guys like this shop, like it's in Fort Park, Sheffield. So whenever you're in Sheffield, you come around, just come around here. So I'm gonna take you in and let you see the chef, you know, and the people who run the shop, and they'll tell you a bit more about the shop, right? How long you guys been running in operation?
We've had our business for about 8 years, but
8 years.
It was at a different location. We've just moved up here in October.
Right. And how was business like for yourself being up here?
It's a lot busier than it was where we were. We kind of just promoted ourselves before we got up here, so everyone kind of knew what they were getting when we reached up here.
Good. And it's Rastaman the chef?
Yes.
Ah, come on, talk to them, chef.
Yeah.
Tell them what's on the menu, man.
Well, the neng neng is my sauce. Me jerk up my food, jerk chicken, jerk mutton ribs, wings, strips, do you know what I mean? And then use my jerk sauce, which is the neng neng sauce.
Neng neng sauce.
You know what I mean?
Crazy.
Yeah man, sauce crazy, brother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, that guys. When you come on your order for any food here, make sure and ask for the neng neng sauce, right? That's a special sauce. You know what I mean? And you only get that from here.
Yeah.
Nowhere else. You get me? For real. And tell them what's the shop name, you know, where you can find you guys.
Well, Lyonz Den. We're in Sheffield. 47 Bellarsh Road, which is in Fir Park. You know what I mean? Hit me up.
And tell them your socials as well too, man.
At Lyonz Den 10, Lyonz Den Limited on Facebook, and you can find us on Food Hub on the internet. Google.
Yeah, man, just Google it. You'll see it as well. You know what I mean? The number will be on there, so you can place your order. You know, whatever. But come check it out. It's really good, different. You know, smashing, man.
What are you going to cook us, please? Rice and peas. Because rice and peas Wednesday, we eat rice and peas Thursday.
I am the one of them jump over Sharon House and go. I am jump over Sharon House.
Yeah? Well, the idiot don't do much and my follow.
Yeah, but
Yo, just come and check Disco by the shop. Disco is not at the shop. Disco is basically having a, what you call it?
Pedicure.
Disco is having a pedicure. Look at the boy.
Yeah.
Come on.
sponsoring from Nottingham, from the V Rocket family, sponsoring. Thank you, Sister V. Is sponsoring. This is what we are telling her. It's not all about music, V Rocket. Does she sponsor when you deserve it? The work, you might don't get the money, but you get it done. And this is one of the foundation cornerstone from Nottingham.
Jesse. V Rocket.
So you know my sound then? So you know my sound, dial tone.
Yeah.
Dial tone, man.
So you dep on everything on the line?
Sound, man.
You dep on everything? How will you say? You go see me then. I will just tell Cynthia about it. Yes.
Now we are going to
Yes.
support.
So you does YouTube as well? You do YouTube as well? What are you saying she does YouTube, bro?
Yes.
So you know this gentleman, my daughter, dial tone.
That is one of the founder, the original founder.
Dial tone.
Big up all the Grenadian, all the Jamaican. Everywhere in the Caribbean, the Trinidadian, everywhere. But you don't know we say Jamaica.
Number one.
Big up Sheffield too. Heart of Love.
Yes.
And big up Sophie British. She don't want to unite, but she did.
But she like into foot good too. I'm not lie, your foot pretty. Into it now then. Never can.
No car,
No ginger.
no ginger. See?
But Java gone.
So,
I'll say though, like, these guys and them, like, they work hard, like, you know what I mean? They work hard, like, every day. You know, whether it's, like, winter, summer, these guys and them, they out. Doing their thing, washing the car up. It's a Burngreave car wash, hand car wash. You know what I mean? Check them out when they're in Sheffield. You want your car wash? Check out Burngreave hand car wash.
Nobody of you don't give a damn when they come out. Schema like Shabba Manapa. Shot fire, every man a drop flat. Everybody strap, every banana. Sweet like the rims and the banana. With the M1 Everybody strap, every banana.
Yeah man, Burngreave hand car wash. Check them out, you get me? Clean on the machine very nice. You can pay with cash. I can pay with bank card as well too. Mad something. Mad. Sun is out, everybody's out. You know what I mean? Place is nice.
sun's out today.
Come on, bro. Tell them what's up.
Everything's amazing. Sharon Haroon.
Tell them about the business, bro.
The business is booming.
Yeah?
Car washes, he does tires as well.
Yeah?
Can't forget you got a mechanic shop back there, all these tires.
Yeah.
You guys prices. You look after your tires as well.
Sheffield, mad dog. Sheffield, mad dog. Gaza, 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 Gaza. Hey boy, let me tell you about real mad dog. Anywhere I go, me carry 3 bad dogs. Looking at me and me if I mean hot dog. I done furnace, so they steal hot dog. Say you're this Gaza, you must eat that dog. Anywhere I go, fit you a weed that dog. No, you're not bad, stop pre that dog. Get 2 Panadol, you just feel bad dog. No, you're not bad, stop pre that dog. Get 2 Panadol, you just feel bad dog. No, you're not bad, stop pre that dog. Get 2 Panadol, you just feel bad. Hey boy, let me tell you about top dog. Anywhere me carry down, clap that dog. Boy, see the dog and I play ego. Me never know say are you a bad man dog. Even a stop sign can't stop man dog. No comedy, you're the action dog. No rag man a straight Jordan dog. Dogs from my foot, England brand dog. No, you're not bad, stop pre that dog. Get 2 Panadol, you just feel bad dog. No, you're not bad, stop pre that dog. Get 2 Panadol, you just feel bad dog. Sheffield, mad dog. Sheffield, mad dog. Gaza, 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 Gaza. Hey boy, let me tell you about real mad dog. Anywhere me go, me carry 3 bad dog. Looking at me and me if I mean hot dog. I on furnace, so the steel hot dog. Say you this Gaza, you must see that dog. Anywhere me go, fit them and weed that dog. No, you're not bad, stop pre that dog. Take 2 Panadol, you just feel bad dog. No, you're not bad, stop pre that dog. Take 2 Panadol, you just feel bad dog. No, you're not bad, stop pre that dog. Take 2 Panadol, you just feel bad. Hey boy, let me tell you about top dog. Anywhere me carry tongue clap that dog. Boy, city dog and I play ego. Me never know say are you a bad man dog. Even a stop sign can't stop man dog. No comedy, you're the action dog. No rat man a straight Jordan dog. Dogs on my foot, England brand dog. No, you're not bad, stop pre that dog. Take 2 Panadol, you just feel bad dog. No, you're not bad, stop pre that dog. Take 2 Panadol, you just feel bad dog.
My baby, my Valentine. Can I hear the lick in my temperature, the rise? If you leave me, I could die. I swear, you are like the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest. Your loving me, totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body. Your body never carry shit. Open up, make I see one. Give me love, one thing. If you make a bad man sing, no. Your body never carry shit. Open up, make I see one. Give me love, one thing. If you make a bad man sing, no. My partner never rise, no, no. And we can do I'm low, you don't need to party, oh. I'm telling what you're doing, oh, yeah, baby, carry go, carry go. Your body never carry shit. Open up, make I see, oh, now you ain't the kind of fancy. They do me, I keep parking, oh, no, no, no. Your body never carry shit. Open up, make I see, oh, now you ain't the kind of fancy. They do me, I keep parking, oh, no, no, no. I go make you on. Give me, baby, make you give me. I go show you loving, I go take you to my city. Loneliness, they make a look pity. You want me to sing you on me before you go see me. Fine, yeah, you know your body bad. Same body bad, can make you shake it for can. Kia dance for me, baby, pan. Come and give me, show, no, no, no.
Just making a walk alongside the canal. Nice sunny day today in Sheffield. You know, beautiful. Check it out. Crazy. Nice. Really nice. Really nice day today, man. Loving it. Yo, what up? I've got my little YouTube channel, they get me? Yeah?
Yeah, man.
You want to see what's up? See what's up, bro?
What's happening? Podcast I run, YouTube video I run.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Kelly Island thing, you get me?
Yeah, man, You're
Just
from...
chilling at home, fresh.
Let them know, say what, you Jamaican?
Yeah.
So, obviously, I'm Grenadian background. He's Jamaican background.
See it there?
But at the end of the day, still,
Yeah,
it's
same
still
place.
one Caribbean, you know? One Caribbean.
Yeah, man. Nice first nice day of the year, really. Nice sunshine today, you get me?
Shit.
Bless.
Yeah, man, just taking in the scenery, taking in the nature vibes, you know, just chilling, you know, on the ends.
Yeah.
See it. Very nice.
Kelly Island vibes.
For real. I brought some corn for the duckies then, bro. I haven't seen them.
Missions, there's usually plenty, innit?
No.
Down tree. Does it stay on top?
Huh?
Oh, it must do it. It's swim past it. I think he did. Not dipping much down.
Ducky then.
Hives and bees in the bottom of the garden.
Sun is nice, outside is nice, greenery. You know what I mean? Somebody's fishing in here as well too. I don't know if they catch anything. I'll check them and see. You. How much you catch? How much you catch? Nothing. Come on, bro. How long you been there? Huh? Are you getting any bite? You getting bites? Is it? What? What are you fishing with? It's like worms or something, or? Oh, maggots. All right. Cool, yeah. So what? When you catch fish in there, could you keep them? Yeah. So you can just catch him and put him back. Yeah. Have you ever catch fish in there before? Big ones. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty cool, bro.
You doing YouTube, man?
See Ducky and them over there. Yeah.
You doing YouTube, man?
Yeah. See what's up, man.
Yo, what's up, man?
You guys enjoying the weather?
Loving it, bro.
Where you guys heading to?
Huh?
Where you heading to?
Just chilling, man. Walking about enjoying the weather, innit?
Yeah. Enjoy then.
What's the channel called?
Lyonz Den TV. Yeah, my guy just in there like trying to catch some fish. Says he's getting loads of bites, but you haven't caught anything. Yeah. Yeah, so check out the vibes as we move along. Nice day today, yo. Crazy. Crazy. People out just having their drinks and stuff, chilling. Vibes. Everybody out right now.
So if he has a
Kicking it.
ribs, I'm like, are you gonna order up
Check out the. There's like a pool over there. Yeah, check it out. Oh, there's Ducky there. There's Ducky there. Where you guys flying away? Go. Oh, you guys get scared. There's Ducky there. Yeah, Ducky and I'm chilling. Yeah, the quality in this is crazy. I like your little cart.
Oh yeah, thank you. Yes.
Enjoying the weather?
Yeah, a bit too warm today, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's a good first day.
Yeah.
First day of sunshine.
Yep.
It's a cool little art piece here. It's crazy. Nice.
Well, this is New Kids HD, representing for Lyonz Den TV. Watch it now. You keep the dial flowing. Never forget to subscribe. You know what I mean? Nuke is representing Earl Den TV. Dog, for real, yeah, it hurt me. Them heart no clean, very dirty, yeah. We cut them off from early, dog. We're not gonna bring them up on this journey. Earl Den TV, Nuke is HD, say, banger.
Mad. Subscribe, people. Mad.
Planet, god damn it. Yo, it's a hyena job, bigging up All Den TV, you know the thing go. Mad and bad, yo, log in, like, subscribe. Yo, beer madness, you know when they go around the Caribbean, go around the world, they might bring it to new places, new events, new style, you know the thing go. Yo, hyena job, see that? Bruh.
Hey, kick it. Billy vibe. So grimy, I'm so grimy. Them dead, bury all, no. Kick it. Billy vibe. Bigging up Earl Dem TV. Kick it, the world Dem TV. Oh, shit.
Mad. Banging.
Yo, pick up Earl Den TV. Just one represented.
Come on.
Alright.
Hey, yo, this is Don Jamel, the Battle Boss, bigging up Earl Den TV. You see me? No pre-week.
Mad.